Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So if you want to change your Instagram grid to square, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to change Instagram grid to square. So open your Instagram app on your phone, and after that just tap on this profile icon here. Now tap on this image or video you want to change the grid. After that just tap here the three line. Now you can see there are a variant option. Just tap on adjust preview. Now you can see there is a little option and written fit. Just tap on this. Now tap on this and go to your profile again, and you can see your this specific image is in square grid. So if you want to change all of the posts or all photos, then you have to change it manually one by one. So this is how you can change Instagram grid rectangular to square. And if you think this video is helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.